Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Wise customer support in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner, have no Wise account, and no bank account linked. This video is perfect if you're just learning about Wise or planning to use it in the future. So let's get started. First, what is Wise? Wise, formerly known as Transferwise, is an online money transfer platform used to send, receive, and convert money internationally at low fees. Many people use Wise for international payments, freelancing, and foreign currency accounts. Now let's see how to get help from Wise. The easiest and safest way to contact Wise support is through their official help center. Open your browser and type wise.com/help. This works even if you do not have a Wise account. Here, you'll see a search bar. You can search for topics like creating an account, sending money, verification issues, fees, and charges. You can click any topic and read the official solution provided by Wise. Most beginner questions are already answered here. If the Help Center articles don't solve your problem, scroll down and look for options like Contact Us or Get Help. Wise may ask you a few questions about your issue and then guide you to submit a support request. This is useful if you can't log in, haven't created an account, or are just exploring Wise. Wise also provides phone support in some countries. For example, in the United States, Wise has a toll-free number available 24/7. Phone availability depends on your country, and Wise may show local numbers once you log in. Once you create a Wise account, you get more support options. Inside the Wise app or website, you'll see live chat support for faster help. This option usually appears after logging in. You don't need to link a bank account immediately just to access help. That's it for this video. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want a tutorial on creating a Wise account step by step. Thanks for watching.